The National Weather Service in Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Jefferson County in southeast Wisconsin, southwestern Waukesha County in southeast Wisconsin until 4:45 p.m. At 4:06 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing ping-pong ball-size hail. This storm was located near Lake Ripley, or 6 miles south of Lake Mills, and moving east at 35 miles an hour. Locations impacted include Fort Atkinson, Jefferson, Palmyra, Dousman, Ellenville, Hebron, Rome, Sullivan, and National Weather Service Sullivan/Milwaukee. If you are in the path of this storm, prepare immediately for large hail and deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. People outside should move to a shelter, preferably inside a strong building and away from windows.